Hey guys, this is Mustafizu here and hope you guys are doing well. Welcome to another travel guide video. As you must already know by now looking at the thumbnail, the destination for today is Sandakphu. For those who do not know where and what is Sandakphu, it is the highest point in the state of West Bengal in India and situated at an altitude of 11,930 feet. The peak is located at the edge of the Singalila National Park and has a small village on the summit with a few hotels and lodges. I have been here twice, once in 2010 and the other in 2019. In this video, I will share my experiences of this place. Just a reminder that my narration in this video will switch between English to Hindi at places. I will try to put subtitles in the video during the Hindi part, ऐसे जो भी स्क्रीन पे आ रहा होगा. So without much further ado, let's begin. To reach Sandakphu, you have to first reach Manibhanjang, and to reach Manibhanjang, you have to first arrive at NGP railway station or Bagdogra airport. Of course, you can either drive a car or ride a motorbike directly to Manibhanjang. If coming by train or air, these are the closest points to depot and continue towards Manibhanjang. For me, जब मैंने 2019 में ट्रिप किया था तो एक 4 सीटर स्विफ्ट बुक कर ली थी NGP से and it took me around 3.5 hours to reach there. बीच में एक जगह उतर के ब्रेकफास्ट भी किया था. The cost of the private taxi to Manibhanjang was rupees 2,500. The shortest distance to Manibhanjang is to reach Ghum and then take the left turn from Ghum railway station and head towards Sukhia Pokri. सुखिया से फिर एक राइट टर्न लेके आप सीधा Manibhanjang पहुंच जाएंगे 15 मिनट में. You have two options to reach Sandakpur from there. The first is by a hired jeep, the second is by trekking. In 2010, I trekked to Sandakphu and in 2019, I opted for the hired jeep to reach Sandakphu. So पहले ट्रेकिंग के बारे में बात करते हैं और मैं बहुत शॉर्ट में इसको कवर करूँगा. Once you reach Manibhanjang and you want to trek to Sandakphu, then it's mandatory that you take a guide or a porter from Manibhanjang. The distance from Manibhanjang to Sandakphu is 32 kilometers. ट्रैक को कुछ हिस्सों में बांटा जाए, जैसे फर्स्ट डे 13 kilometers trek to Tumling, then night stay at lodge or home stays. Second day again 13 kilometers trek to Kalipokri, and then on the third day a 6-kilometer steep trek to Sandakphu. On the return journey, you can come back the same way or choose an alternate route of Srikhola, Rimbek, and then finally return to NJP. To know more about this trek, click the link in the description below. It will lead you to the page where it is explained in details. But if you're opting for the hired jeep experience like I did in 2019, you need to book a Land Rover from the Land Rovers Association counter at Manibhanjang. The rates of the jeep are fixed. For us, a two-way trip starting from Manibhanjang to Sandakphu and then return to Manibhanjang in the next morning was rupees 5,500. अगर आप प्लान कर रहे हैं कि एक से ज़्यादा रात यहाँ रुकेंगे जीप और ड्राइवर को लेके, then you have to pay extra 1,500 more for every night. If you are planning to stay overnight in Manibhanjang before you ascend to Sandakphu, then you can book one of the very few hotel rooms at Manibhanjang, or you can stay at a homestay where they will also provide you food. मेरी मानो तो homestay में रहो हाँ. Reason is that I had a very pleasant experience. सब कुछ रूम सही था, खाना भी सही था, access to toilet, bathroom, all good. Keep in mind, don't expect luxury in the small villages up in the hills of West Bengal. You get very basic amenities, but यार इतनी दूर कौन luxury experience करने आता है? The same in the rest of the places as well. If you want to stay in Tumling, Kalipokri and Sandakphu, there are few hotels and homestays that you can check into. But it's recommended that you book it prior to coming there. There is no websites as far as I know from where you can book hotels in these places. There is of course Gorkha Tourism Department offices or GTA. You can pre-book from there or you can call the owners and make a booking. For us, we did not stay at Sandakphu, rather we went ahead 4 more kilometers into Al, which is basically in Nepal. There were only 3 houses in that area and one of them was a homestay. Yeah, the condition of the homestay was not good. Just the bare minimums. Keep in mind if you are planning to stay at Al rather than Sandakphu with its neat and clean lodges, then you have to make do with whatever is offered to you. For us, it did not bother us that much as the location was breathtaking. It was much better than Sandakpur, trust me. But sadly, it was during the monsoon season and the area was cloudy. Although it looked hauntingly beautiful, but that meant we could not see the surrounding mountain ranges. The main reason people come to Sandakpur and its neighboring areas is because of its natural beauty. The road from Manibhanjang going through Chitre, Meghma, Tumling and then through Singalila National Park and then Kalipokari, finally the steep climb from BK Bhangjang to Sandakpur all is filled with amazing sights. The path from Manibhanjang to Sandakpur will lead you through Nepal a lot of times, but the borders are blurred and you won't even notice it unless someone points it out. Also, the place is a very good spot if you are interested in stargazing and capturing the night sky. यहाँ पोल्यूशन बहुत लो है एंड हाई अल्टीट्यूड की वजह से इट मेक्स अ प्राइम स्पॉट टू फोटोग्राफ द नाइट स्काई. Here, have a look for yourself. On a clear day, you can see the sleeping Buddha, that is Kanchenjunga range, throughout the whole way. During the late winter and spring season, you will see rhododendron flowers bloom, which are a specialty in the mountain regions. Perhaps the best sight is at the Sandakpur top, from where on a clear day you can see four of the world's five tallest mountains: Mount Everest, Mount Kanchenjunga, Mount Lhotse, and Mount Makalu. Unfortunately, I could not see the mountains clearly as it was cloudy during my 2019 trip. But in 2010, I saw the whole mountain range, including all the tallest mountains. Here are some shots of how the view looks from the Sandakpur top on a clear day. You can have a better view of the mountain ranges from Falut, which is a half-day trek from Sandakpur. If you are planning to reach Siliguri via an alternate route, then you will be passing through Falut and heading towards Korke and Rimbik. If you are lucky, then you might spot the famous red panda in the Singalila National Park. The food choices will be fairly limited during a trip. Noodles, momos and thukpas will be readily available at the small cafes along the way. In Manibhanjang, you get the most number of food choices, starting from veg dishes to non-veg dishes, which include fish and chicken. The higher you go from Manibhanjang, the prices of commodities increases and the choice of food decreases. For lunch or dinner at the homestay in all, we had roti, dal, aloo sabzi. It was very basic, but it did the job for us. मैगी, नेपाली नूडल्स एंड वाई वाई हर जगह अवेलेबल है. अगर आप ये मैगी नूडल्स कैरी कर रहे हो, then you can give them to the homestay owners and they will prepare them for you. Sometimes they will charge you for the cooking, sometimes they won't. I experienced both of them. Most of the area till Kalipokri gets covered in snow during winters and sometimes till Tumling. कुछ एक्स्ट्रा थर्मल वगैरह भी ले लेना अगर दिसंबर के मौसम में जा रहे हो विंटर ट्रिप करने. It's also recommended that you take power banks to charge electronic devices, as there is only solar power available after Manibhanjam, which is not always available. The monsoon lasts very long in the Himalayas, so raincoat या umbrella carry करना. For a trip of 3 nights and 4 days of a group of 3 people, this was our budget. Total 18,100 rupees, and then divided by 3 person, so per head nikla. So there you go guys, that was the tour guide for Sandakphu. I have tried to incorporate as many details I could in this video without making it long and tedious. Hope you liked it, and if you did then like कीजिए, and अगर सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया हो तो ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए and बेल आइकन भी प्रेस कर दीजिए. So that's it for today. See you in the next one.